Welcome to THG Week Rewind, episode 16. Let's rewind the week. The week started with Siddiqui-Bishnoi gang taking responsibility for NCP leader Baba Siddiqui's murder. In a clearly worded message, the group warned of enmity with anyone close to the actor Salman Khan. Mumbai police have increased security outside the actor's home as repeated death threats are issued in his name. After spending nearly a month in central prison, Muniratna, the MLA of Raja Rajeshwari Nagar, was granted conditional bail in a rape case on Tuesday by the Special Court of Sessions handling criminal cases involving current and former MPs and MLAs. India-Canada diplomatic row deepens after Canada accused Indian agents of killing Canadian citizen and Khalistani figure Hardeep Singh Nijjar on Canadian soil and accused India of carrying out murders and extortion using the Siddiqui-Bishnoi gang. India strongly denied the claims and sought evidence. Canadian PM Justin Trudeau later admitted he did not have evidence but only intelligence. In Maharajganj of UP's Bahraich, a Hindu youth, Ram Gopal Mishra, was shot dead after he replaced a green flag with a saffron one. His death sparked violence as thousands gathered to attend the funeral. Later, 5 were arrested and 2 of the 5 were injured in a police encounter. Last week, the National Conference leader Omar Abdullah was sworn in as the Chief Minister of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Leaders from the India bloc attended the event. Last week on Thursday, Israel announced the death of Hamas leader Yahya Sinwar during active combat, releasing footage of his final moments. In the video, Sinwar, gravely injured with a partially amputated hand, is seen throwing a stick in a last effort to resist Israeli forces, proving false the claims that he was hiding in tunnels and using hostages as human shields. Hamas later confirmed Sinwar's death. Last week, the Supreme Court of India revealed a new lady justice. She has no blindfold and the sword was replaced by the Constitution. The removal of the blindfold raises questions on the impartiality of the justice system. On Saturday, Indian cricketer Virat Kohli made history by surpassing 9,000 test runs in the ongoing India vs New Zealand test match. Sarfaraz Khan too added a feather in his cap after he scored his maiden century. That's it for today. Follow the Hindustan Gazette for more. Thank you.